driving home right now, and the whole glass pack of my the whole muffler just blew apart. So right now I'm like straight pipe basically, and I'm trying to be really quiet driving home. But it's just so loud. Like, I feel so bad. I'm sorry, neighbors. It's 12:30 in the morning. Nobody's awake. But they might all be awake as soon as they hear me coming. So I'm just gonna idle. Oh my way. Oh jeez, it's so loud. Okay, I'm just gonna try idling my whole way home. Oh my gosh, it's so loud now. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Stay tuned. What's going on, YouTube? So yesterday I totally just shot my exhaust right out of my exhaust. Okay, basically what happened is I have a glass pack. That thing just blew apart. I had a silencer in there that kept it all in, but it's totally out now. If you can see in there, not really. It's pretty dark. But basically there's nothing in there. It's basically straight piped right now. So with it being straight piped, it's just super loud, and it feels super bad when I pull into my neighborhood with this freaking loud car. I gotta go fast. Pretty mint still. Pretty mint. My next stop, I just was at the bank. Before that, I was at my bro Carson's to pick up my silencer that I threw out yesterday. So basically what happened was we were ripping around yesterday, just a little rip, and I noticed that my exhaust was starting to hiss, and so I was like, huh. So we got to finally a red light, and I just smelled kind of like a burning, and like my car's super quiet, and I'm like, that's odd. So we pulled over. I looked at my exhaust, and frickin' there's like my exhaust is totally plugged up. I had a silencer in there, and the little opening in the center of the silencer just had a bunch of like fiberglass in it. And I was like, oh shoot. So we drove back to his house, took the silencer out, which was really hard for some reason. I guess it's just like rusted in there from being in there so long. And then we just pulled as much fiberglass as we could out, and there's still a lot in there. So I'm like, no, Carson, don't worry about it. I'll just drive home and hopefully it just launches out of the exhaust. So I'm ripping it home. I hit second turbo and like really restriction of power because there's so much crap in my exhaust. And then it's just, I hear this boom, and I look in my rearview mirror and there's just all this black crap that just went flying out. And then my exhaust was so freaking loud. It's like, it's like a straight piped car basically is what I have right now. And so now I feel like super bad when I drive home because it's just so loud, and like, I don't know, I'll have to figure something out. But that's basically what happened. And yeah, so anyways, I was at Carson's to pick up the silencer because I threw it out before, but now I probably need it when the cops pull me over. And then I just dropped some money off at the bank, and now I'm off to go pick up some spark plugs. Guys, so I just picked up the spark plugs at Piston Ring, which is one of the auto parts stores in Winnipeg that we go to. And now I'm on my way to work to go pick up some tools so I can do my spark plugs later. On my way to my haircut right now, walking down sketchy alleyways. Should be good though, should be good. Great success. fresh new haircut. Looking pretty good. I'm on my way back home now, and I'm gonna install those spark plugs, see if my car runs a bit better. So boss. Car coming! Oh no! Homeward bound. Well, if I get busted by the cops, we know why. Oh, haha, we made it. Bye-bye, cops. Alright guys, so I'm here in my garage about to get these new spark plugs in. The reason I'm doing it is just because I felt like I was having a bit of a lack of power. It just felt like it's running a bit rough here and there, so I'm just gonna switch out the spark plugs because it's pretty easy. I've done it like twice on other cars in the last month, so I'm a bit practiced up, you could say. So I'm gonna get going and see if I can do this pretty fast this time. Alright, so I just finished putting the spark plugs in. Probably like my record time doing it. Right now I'm gonna wash my hands because they're kind of dirty. I'm also gonna show you the spark plugs here. They didn't look bad, but one was pretty out of gap. Like the gap was way too big on it. But they don't look terrible. But they are getting around that time when they should be changed. It's at 85,000 kilometers. So there's like supposed to be changed at 100,000 kilometers. Well, it depends what type of plugs they are, but yeah. So I'm gonna wash my hands and then I'm gonna start it. Sounds pretty good. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's mint right now. I'll take it for a test drive in a bit, but I'm pretty sure it won't even need a test drive. I'll go right now. Test drive it right now.